So if you've been looking for a passive income, let me take you over to my laptop. So I want to show you some more withdrawals that I've done from my passive profits. Brilliant system. At any time you want to find out more, click below this video and you'll find a link that's going to take you over to a page where I'm going to give you a free copy of my blueprint ebook, exactly step by step of what I'm doing to make a passive income. Anyway, without me rambling anymore, let's head over to my laptop and I'll show you some withdrawals. So let's do some more withdrawals. Going to withdraw out of my account. As you can see there, I've got 174, so I'm going to click on withdraw. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be withdrawing the max, which is 174, and in my wallet I'll receive 171. And in my previous video, you'll remember I did this withdrawal, and that's already inside my wallet. And the same again with this one here, 339, 249, 214, 185, 154, 379. All these payments that you see on the screen here are already inside my trust wallet. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Just need to put my Google Authenticator in. That's that withdrawal on its way. Now, if you're interested in discovering how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, click the link below and I'll give you my free blueprint of exactly how I am making a passive income with cryptocurrency. Now, let's go to my wife's account. She's had a better day than me, and we're going to withdraw from her account 547. So click on withdraw. So I'm withdrawing from my wife's account 447. And in our wallet, we're going to get 541. And if you look below, these are the payments that my wife has withdrawn out of her account. That was the one we did recently, which was on the 19th of the 2nd. And as you can see, it's the 20th of February now. So that was yesterday we did that withdrawal. And you can see there another one for 396, 128, 255. And all of these payments are already inside our trust wallet. So I click withdraw. And the same is for my wife. It's going to ask for the Google Authenticator. So I'll just pop that in there. That payment's done. And that will be coming over to our trust wallet as well. So as you can see now, that payment that I did from my wife's account, that 547, that's done and it's already inside my wallet. And as you can see there, it says the 20th of the 2nd. So it's the same day of doing the withdrawal, and that was the time. And it's the same for my one, 174 done, and that's also inside my wallet on the 20th, on the same day that I did the withdrawal. So let's do some more withdrawals. The crypto passive income that keeps on giving. This is my wife's account. I'm going to do another withdrawal, this time $166. So let's click on the withdraw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to withdraw the maximum. It's going to go over to my trust wallet. So I'm withdrawing 166. I'm going to get 164. Click on withdraw. Put in the Google Authenticator. That's it. That's that payment on its way to me. So let's do from my account now. So in my account, I've got $280. So I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to do the max as well. So I'm withdrawing 280 inside my wallet. I'm going to get 276. And as you can see here, these are the payments that I've done recently. 174, 237, 339, 249, 214, 185, 379. So these payments all go to my trust wallet. So let's click withdraw. So I have to put in the Google Authenticator, do that. And there we go. There's another passive income payment coming to my trust wallet. Now, if you're interested to find out exactly what I'm doing for myself and my wife, and you want to discover how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, then click the link below this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to give you my free blueprint of step by step exactly what I'm doing to make a passive income working from home. It's so easy, your grandmother could do it. I'll see you in another video. Click the link below and you have a great day. Bye now.